Cake Drip is a new addition to Hyde Park Village, and let me just say, this Instagrammable spot is the perfect fit. If you've ever wanted to make your own chocolate bar, you gotta check this out.
The Cake Drip is a DIY dessert boutique. We have two different experiences. We have a DIY cake decorating experience, also a chocolate tasting flight experience. For the DIY cake decorating experience, you get 1 hour in studio. You want to freestyle. We let you choose fondant, icing, sprinkles, or you choose one of our designs and we give you everything you need to make that design. With the chocolate tasting flight, that's become our most popular experience. Everybody gets to make a chocolate bar. You choose your chocolate first, you choose what ingredients you want. We bring them to the table, you pour your chocolate, you top it however you would like. While it's chilling, we bring you a dessert board that has cheesecake bites, chocolate spoons, and then after that, you get a treat box that has cake pieces, marshmallows, strawberries. With any in-studio experience, you do get complimentary champagne. In addition to our in-studio experience, we also have a self-service kiosk where you can come up at any time that we're open. You get to customize your dessert on there as well. You should come check out the Cake Drip because there's no other experience in Tampa like this. It's just exciting to see how much fun everyone's having, making the chocolate bars, taking pictures. It's been really good.